Want to use a blender instead of shaking for 5 minutes? Check the link in the description or stick around. I'll also link it at the end of this video. For this 5-minute ice cream, no machine required, we're keeping the ingredients simple. That makes it easier to aerate and thicken just by shaking. You'll need 1/2 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. I'm using vanilla bean paste instead. Ice and about 1 cup of salt. Rock salt or table salt both work. Before you start, place a freezer-safe dish into the freezer so it's nice and cold when it's time to transfer the ice cream later. That way, it doesn't start melting right away. First, pour the cream into a bowl. Add the milk, vanilla, and sugar. I'm using a whisk just to get things combined, but don't worry, this mixture will get thoroughly mixed during the shaking process, so you don't need to go overboard. Now, fill the bottom of a gallon-sized Ziploc bag with some ice and pour in your salt. I'm using regular table salt from the cupboard, but rock salt is fine too. Next comes the trickiest part. Transferring the ice cream mix into a smaller quart-sized Ziploc bag. I find it easiest to pour the mix back into a measuring cup first, then pour that into the bag. Be sure to seal it tightly. Really make sure it's closed, because we're about to shake it for 5 minutes. Place the smaller sealed bag inside the larger ice and salt bag. Add more ice on top. Seal that bag tightly too, and then wrap the whole thing in a towel so you don't freeze your hands while shaking. Quick science note: the ice and salt mixture drops the temperature to around 20 degrees Fahrenheit or lower, which allows the ice cream to freeze. I had a little leakage from my bag, so the towel got damp, but it didn't affect the ice cream at all. After 5 minutes of shaking, open up the bag and you'll find soft serve consistency ice cream. Now grab that cold dish from the freezer, carefully remove the inner bag, and I recommend rinsing off the outside. It'll be coated in salty ice water. Then use a spoon or spatula to scoop out the ice cream. At this point, you can stir in chocolate chips or any mix-ins you like. I used finely chopped chips so they don't freeze into big, hard chunks later. Finally, press a piece of plastic wrap directly against the surface of the ice cream to prevent ice crystals from forming, and pop it into the freezer for a few hours to firm up. Or, if you're a soft serve fan, dig in now. Here's the final product after freezing. I'm topping it with chocolate syrup, whipped cream, and a cherry. Perfect presentation.